Jerusalema ikhaya lami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana Jerusalema ikhaya lami.
So the Mahle Behr South Africa Durban plant has two main production lines. In our factory 3, we receive aluminium from Hulamin, and we form that aluminium into a seam welded tube that gets used in direct charge air coolers around the Mahle world. Those tubes need turbulators inserted into them. In factory 4, we produce a stamped turbulator that gets manually inserted into the tubes. In factory 9, we produce a roll turbulator that gets manually inserted into those tubes. The Durban facility's other production line is one of traditional engine cooling heat exchangers. So upstream in factory 2 we have a small injection molding facility, and then we move across to factory 1 where we have a small press shop. We have a variety of core builders and airway machines that lead into a knock-a-lock furnace, and then at the back end we have 3 or 4 assembly lines. The majority of those heat exchangers get sold individually. But some of them go down the hill to factory 7 where we have a dedicated BMW engine cooling module assembly plant. Our Port Elizabeth facility will consist only of HVAC production from the beginning of 2022. And our main two lines there are for VW MQB27 HVAC and for the Isuzu RGO6 HVAC.
Jerusalema ikhaya lami, ilondoloze uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Jerusalema ikhaya lami, ilondoloze uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze zuhambe nami, dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana.